have 1,600 local governments in New York. We have the city of New York with 8 million people down to small villages with 20 or 30 residents. But fundamentally, they're all trying to do the same thing, which is provide the services that only local government can provide. We have most of our local governments are confronting the same challenges.
Municipalities are under a lot of financial pressure these days. They are being forced to do more with less.
We have to be able to provide the essential services and not tax them out of their homes.
Local governments haven't tapped into technology and the opportunities technology can provide. It's not about getting rid of local governments, it's finding ways that they can consolidate their services but still each exists separately.
Change starts with asking the difficult questions and finding innovative solutions. The solution for these municipalities really lies in unifying their hardware and software into one location so that they're sharing resources, they're sharing the resources in the cloud. We know in New York State, municipalities spend approximately $8 billion on IT, both IT infrastructure and IT services. And the preliminary research we've done indicates that we could reduce that number by about a quarter if we were to really launch shared services, cloud computing into all of these municipalities. A cloud system like this is really solving not just an IT problem, it's solving a business problem, an economic development problem. Software Consulting Associates partnered with IBM to create the Municipal Shared Services Cloud.
By hosting the municipal services on a mainframe redefines what it means to run these government offices because it helps break down any boundaries between government offices.
It's just going to enable information to be shared quickly, and not just quickly, but in a more effective way. Our building inspector can be out in the field and immediately transmitting the information to the developer that, hey, you need to address this before we can issue you approval for the next stage. Developers will be able to go to one portal, they'll be able to look up the applications, they'll be able to know what they have to do and be able to plan for that.
Time is money, and any application that you take through the approvals process is going to take some time, but it gets bogged down. The ability to have a single portal to share information would be critical.
If we can bring those projects to fruition at a quicker rate, it really will have a tremendous impact on our revenue.
The mainframe is a perfect platform for the cloud because after 200 virtual machines, the mainframe is the lowest cost computing platform. At IBM Research, we're charged to create innovation in everything, to push the boundaries of science and technologies that have an impact to our customers in a meaningful way.